Hello students, so this will be the continuation of useful microorganisms. So here we can see increasing soil fertility. So how we using this microorganism to improve the soil fertility. Microorganism plays a very important role in maintaining the fertility of soil. They help in composting the process which forms manure. Also, microorganism present in the soil helps aerate it and enrich the soil with nitrate and other nutrients. So that these nutrients are needed by the crops for an abundant harvest. Some bacteria and blue-green algae are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. So these microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixation. We are generally under the impression that we only need oxygen to live. Well, you could not be more wrong. There is a laundry list of elements that animals need for survival. One such element is nitrogen. But we can't just get nitrogen from the air. We cannot consume it as like oxygen we do. It needs to be converted into nitrate. So in atmosphere, 78% of nitrogen is present. There is 21% of oxygen and remaining one other traces like 1% of other gases. But this plants and animals cannot use it directly. To be able to use nitrogen, the plant have to convert atmospheric nitrogen to nitrate, nitrite and ammonia compound. So this process is called nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle, atmospheric nitrogen, lightning fixed nitrogen, nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae fix the atmospheric nitrogen compounds of the nitrogen in the soil, uptake by plant and animal eat plant nitrogenous waste from excretion and dead bacteria turns compounds of nitrogen into gaseous nitrogen. So here these are the source of nitrogen cycle. So first we study about nitrogen fixation. The process by which free nitrogen from the air is combined with other element to form organic compound that plant can use as nutrient. Cyanobacteria and certain other form of bacteria, especially those that lives in the root of legumes, converts gaseous nitrogen into organic compound. So the conversion of nitrogen gas to nitrate by some bacteria called nitrogen fixation. So what is this nitrogen cycle? The nitrogen in the atmosphere is converted into nitrogen compound in the soil by nitrogen fixing bacteria and the blue-green algae. So it includes the nitrogen cycle includes four steps are nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification and denitrification. So first step we studied about the nitrogen fixation. Now the lightning also converted into nitrogen compound into the soil. The nitrogen compounds in the soil is used by plant for the synthesis of protein and other compound. Animals feeds on plants getting these protein and other well compounds. When plants and animals die, this bacteria and fungi in the soil converts the nitrogenous waste into nitrogen compound into the soil which are again used by plant. Some other bacteria convert some nitrogen compound into the soil into nitrogen gas which goes back into the atmosphere, hence the nitrogen in the atmosphere almost remain constant. So this all about nitrogen cycle. Importance of nitrogen fixation. Fix or convert atmospheric nitrogen into the usable form through nitrogen fixation when other forms are unavailable. Here it is important because it is an atmospheric nitrogen is unavailable to most living organisms because there is a breaking the triple bond is difficult. So nitrogen fixing bacteria we need. So to absorb the nitrogen gas from the air and fix it into a form which the plant can use to build the protein. So the change nitrogen gas into the ammonium compound. So here you can see the root nodule, it is full of bacteria. Okay. The root nodule of leguminous plant. So here we can see the rhizobia bacteria. The first rhizobia were isolated from the root nodule by M. Bejernik and shown to have the ability to reinfect the legume host and to fix nitrogen in symbiosis. Rhizobium leguminosaurum is a species of gram-negative aerobic rod-shaped bacteria that is found in soil and which causes formation of root nodule on some but not all type. The type of field pea, lentil, kidney bean and clover. So this here you can see the rhizobium bacteria. So these bacteria can infect the roots of leguminous plants, leading to the formation of lump or nodule where the nitrogen fixation take place. So they are about 90% of legume species can become nodulated because of this rhizobium bacteria. So here is the process, the biological nitrogen fixation by legumes. Here you can see the N2, N2, N2 where the atmosphere which has the 78 to 79% of nitrogen gases. Here you can see the rhizobia interact with the legume roots and form the nodule. Rhizobia transform the nitrogen gas into the minerals nitrate or ammonia. Are also used in cleaning the environment. So you often see large amount of dead organic matter in the form of decaying plant and sometimes dead animals on the ground. So you found that animal, they disappear after some time. This is because the microorganism decompose dead organic waste of plant and animal, converting them into simple substance. So these substances are again used by other plant and animal. So thus microorganism can be used to degrade the harmful and smelly substance and thereby it used in the process called clean up the environment. So the microorganism are beneficial to clean the environment. Thank you.